your thoughts. And rigatoni for the homies. If you know me, check the show, please. Penne for your thoughts. Got fettuccine if you need an extra cheesy, come and see me. Penne for your thoughts. And rigatoni for the homies. If you know me, check the show, please. I got a penne for your thoughts. I got a penne for your thoughts.
These are my nephews and my niece, and we're gonna be making some microwavable mug cakes. It's a very easy recipe. You guys can do it at home with your kids if you guys have any, or if you just want to do it by yourself because you're feeling the need for cake. The recipe is going to be in the description below, so follow along. So to start the mug cakes, in the bowl you want to mix the butter, the milk, and the vanilla extract. Okay, guys? And then we're going to add the eggs. And Layton, pass me the oil.
Oh yeah. Can you pour all of it in?
Yep. Perfect. All right, now we're just gonna make sure this is whisked nicely. And then here's the secret trick. You put a little bit of vinegar in here. And that's gonna help react with the baking powder. It's science. Science. All right. Now we're gonna mix the sugars.
Sugar.
Go see it. It's nice and wet.
One eternity later.
All right. We're gonna put the salt, the baking powder, and the flour. All right. And that's the cake batter. So what's great about this recipe is that you can clear out your pantry. I have leftover chocolate bars. I got some Raisinets, chocolate chip cookies, potato chips, which is my favorite because it's salty. A little bit of marshmallows, some almonds. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put 1 scoop in here. Now Eva, you make the first one. What would you like in your mug cake? Go ahead, throw some in here. What else? Throw some chocolate. And marshmallows. Nice. All right, and then you just put it in the microwave.
Number 1 done. Okay, Ellis' turn.
And you put it in here for 70 seconds. And now you wait. Oh my God! Well, the microwave's not working.
Bad microwave!
So we're gonna have to put it, we're gonna make a regular cake.
In the oven.
In the oven.
Oh,
I swear this works in the microwave. It will work. So let's see what happens in the oven. Alright, we just finished baking the cakes. It actually took about half an hour. As you can see, they all have their individual ones. Alright, go ahead and try them, guys. Take a bite.
Okay,
Just one bite. Everybody knows the rules.
Oh, brother.
And how did you guys do?
Good.
Now, what do you guys have to say? Don't forget to hit the what button.
What?
Like
and subscribe.
That's right. Don't forget to hit that like button. Smash that bell icon so you get all the notifications. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.